Of course, you must have come across contracts in the game and followed them, but in this video I will reveal some hidden points about contracts that only a few players know about. So don't miss this video. First I will teach you about each contract and then reveal the hidden tips after that. Only one contract is active per squad. All squad members must complete the contracts. Contracts are the main method of the obtaining funds to use in buy station and should be a major part of your tactics. Each contract has a specific objective that must be completed within a time limit. Finish the contract and you receive reward, XP, weapon XP for the current weapons in your loadouts, cash, loot and other in-game benefits. The value of this reward greatly differs between Battle Royale and Plunder Warzone mobile game mode. Every time you finish a contract, your contract bonus will go up. This adds stats which doesn't carry over from one match to next match. Influence the amount of loot and cash you can earn from completing contract. A contract bonus of 1 which all operators start with at the beginning of a Warzone match generally means you will only earn a few thousand in cash and some XP and weapon XP. However, if you complete 5 contracts and have a contract bonus level of 6, the next contract you complete has a high chance of giving you a much larger amount of cash, XP, a greater chance of epic or legendary loot. The most wanted contracts are the summary of high risk, high reward gameplay. Ensure that you are well equipped before taking one on and have a strategy for staying alive. Whether that involves bunkering up in a well defended location or jumping into a vehicle to stay ahead of approaching operator. By taking this contract, you set a reward for killing yourself, and as I said at the beginning of the video, by doing more contracts, the bonus contract will increase and the reward that will be determined for you will also increase. But this contract has 2 tricks. First, by accepting most wanted, a red crown will be displayed on the map for all players and you can see exact position on the screen and behind the wall by touching it on your map. Second point, the best price of the contract, which helps even when you have no money to buy and there is no buy station and gulag so also closed. When the time of most wanted is over, all your squad will return to the game if the person who took it is alive. But what few people know is that even if your friend is knocked down on the ground, will be revived without your revive or self-revive. Bounty. Upon picking up this contract, you and your squad have only a few minutes to hunt down a player within an enemy squad. Your tag map shows the approximate location of the foe, but it's all up to you to find out precisely where they are and execute them. Always pick up a bounty contract even if you got other plans. At the least, it gives you intel on the enemy position that you wouldn't otherwise have. The secret point about bounty is the threat indicator, which has 3 levels, and if the price is set for you, you can use it to see the distance of your hunter squad. If all 3 levels are full and red, your distance to the hunters is about 50 meters. If the threat indicator is yellow and its 2 lines are full, your distance from them is less than 200 meters, and if it is green, your distance is more than 200 meters. After activating this contract, your tag map will update with an objective marker where you and your team must stand within a small radius around the station and upload data. Those who are familiar with multiplayer can execute this task to capturing an HQ or dominating flag. Capturing the objective will take time. Also, it can be speed up by having multiple people standing within the objective area. The intel received via completing Recon contracts will stack, meaning that if you complete several Recons, you will see the next several safe area outlined on your tag map. The more you know, the better you can prepare. Recon contracts alert nearby enemies to your position by firing a flare into the air when the objective is being captured. The required time to capture the recon depends on the number of your squad in HQ. If you are 1 person, it will take 30 seconds. If you are 2, it will take 50 seconds. 3 people will take 10 seconds, and if you are 4 people, it will take about 8 seconds. But I suggest capturing 3 people with a sniper or lookout for your cover. Scavenger contracts are great at the start of the Battle Royale match, as it allows you to and your squad to immediately get started on buildings and loot with high-level loot. This may make places with scavenger contracts popular era to drop in, so be prepared for a fight when deciding to parachute over to them. This contract points you to 3 special supply boxes, one at time by placing a special icon on your type map. Once the first one is opened, second is marked, followed by the third once both boxes are collected. A scavenger is usually in the third box. It gives you a good loot like a gun with 5 attachments or a kill streak or self-revive. Supply line contracts give you a discount on items in buy station, except for airdrop, which can be purchased at the same price as before. The supply line time is 2 minutes, and usually you have to travel a long distance to do it, and it chooses a shop for you that is in an area full of enemies.
Good.
Enemy in the area.
Enemy UAV active.
Oo.
Enemy in the area.
Mozu poszedł Recon. Podobny Recon.
Ủa mèo ta. 이걸 이게만 내가 진출이. 아,
Yine bari Michel'iniz sıra budayla da acil o. Boşta beni mi?
Watch for movement.
Noob. Hacı acayip süper ya. اسم عرب.
Enemy UAV active. Enemy dropping into the AR.
Devam et. Aşağı koşsana.
Enemy UAV
Ne zor
active.
böyle. Road.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
Capelete și de foală. Uite, mama! Ti viene da qua, Dio! Oh no!
I'll rain hellfire down on you. Rain hellfire. Killed.